大家好，我是 Brandon。
大家好，我是刘迪亚。
今天我们要学英语的拼读法，
耶！
做一个手稿好不好？
好。
好。This morning, I spent preparing, cutting, and laminating. Should we have a look at what we're going to need to make this project? For this project, you're going to need a 3D printer, a regular printer, laminator, metal ruler, craft knife, stapler, and you can also use a corner cutter if you want to. Okay, all our parts have finished printing. Shall we take them off and get them ready? Do you want to pull them off? Do you remember how to do it? They're not going to pop off by themselves because they're so flat. Oh, gentle. Pull them all off and put them on our board. How about we mix our colours? So you have one blue plus one pink, and I have a blue plus a pink. And I need one with 3 windows. We'll swap. Okay, and we'll put the pink and the blues together. They can click together because they've got little pins and holes. Okay, did you make sure the pins are going into the holes?
Oh.
I think this side needs to click. Yep.
I'm gonna have pink side, you're gonna have blue side, okay?
We can do that. Now we need some letters. Should we start with our three window one first?
I'm gonna do 4 windows.
The 4 window one is more difficult.
I want to do the 4 windows.
We can do the 4 window first. So you need a 1. I have a 1. You have a 2. I have a 2. You have a 3. I have a 3. 4 and 4.
Daddy, how can I put it in?
It goes in this way.
Oh. There's one on this side.
Yes. Push it all the way through nice and gently.
Is mine good?
Almost. Okay, hold the G and push the G in. Yep. Oh, yes, and now hold the end. Oh, went all the way through. Push it back the other way. That's okay. Do number 2. No, we don't want them to keep falling out. Oh no. Oh no. So what we're going to do is we're going to put some staples in the end, and that will stop them from falling out. Let's get the stapler nice and lined up with this line. And then the staple will be just behind the line.
But how else to go out this way?
That means we'll have to put a staple on this side too. Now there's no way for this one to get out, see?
But others still can get out.
That means we need to staple all of them. We might need to fast forward this video to make it nice and fast. Ready?
Good.
Let's see if they can come out now. Looks like mine is good. Is yours good?
My one's good. Doesn't go out.
Shall we try making a word with it? How about we make crab? That's blab. You can make the sound of each square and it will tell you what the word is. Ready, go.
What does it say?
Try making the sound of every word, letter. Ready, go.
I want it to be F.
There we go. It's F. What does F say? Okay, put them all together and say Fran.
Friend.
This is Fred
Friend.
and Frab.
How can I do friend?
We can't do friend because friend has a nd and it has I and an E. It's got too many letters. What does that one say? Glob. This one's funny. That's what a fish says. A fish says glub.
Glub, glub,
Glub,
glub,
glub.
glub, glub, glub,
How about this one?
Huh? What?
G, r, a, b.
Grab.
Grub. That's a little bug. How about that one?
Grab.
That's right. Should we put our CBC one together? That only has 3 letters now. Let's put this one on the side. Put this one on the side.
Fine.
With my one? Okay. You can make a word and tell me the word and I need to copy it, okay?
Okay.
I'm not allowed to look at your one
Why?
because you need to tell me the word and I need to copy it and we need to see if it's the same.
This is going to be cat.
Are they the same? Yes, they're the same. Okay, my turn. I want to make
You got to tell me the letters.
sun. Sun. Yes, they're the same. Now it's your turn to tell me one.
Okay. But if it's in my turn, you got to tell me the letters, okay?
You can find the letters yourself by thinking sun is s, a, n, and then finding the letters, okay? Which word are you going to give to me? I'm waiting.
Hap. Is this like hap?
Hap. Hap might not be a real word, but we can still make it. Yes! They're the same.
This is hap.
Should we try one more time, then say goodbye to everyone? It's my turn to tell you a word.
You got to tell me the letters, okay?
I'm going to tell you the word, and if it's a bit difficult, I'll help you with the sounds, okay? My word is dog.
Dog. Come on. Dog.
Dog. Oh, oh, oh. The middle one has an off sound. Okay, put it on the table and let's check. Yes, give me a high five. Oh, missed.
Sore?
Okay, we hope you can make this project at home and try it with your kids. We'll see you later. Don't forget to subscribe to our video and like it. Bye-bye.
Thumbs up. You forgot it.
Oh, and give us a thumbs up. Bye-bye.